Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the Skullcandy Method 360 ANC. This is a collab that they did with Bose. I've had them for about a week now, so I'll give you the pros and the cons and everything else. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now we're over on the computer. We're just going to go over some color options and other things. So I got mine for $90 on sale on Amazon, but I think they're originally, 130 here. So they have this like brown primer color, got the black. I personally went with the red. I think that's the best, but you got a white, and then you also have the leopard. So these headphones offer 40 hours of battery life and a couple different things, as well as an app. So we'll get into that and go ahead and do the unboxing. Let's get into the unboxing. So this is how they come. And then you got nice little packaging here. You have your information packets, and they do give you some size options. So you have the fins that lace the side and the back of the headphones, and then you have different size earbud tips as well, just for comfortability and customization. They give you a USB-C charging cable as well for the case. Come nice and wrapped. So here's your charging case. Pretty simple, but I really like the design. It's really sleek. So you have your clip right here, clip along your belt, your gym bag, whatever. And this just slides out like this. So you have both headphones there, and then you have a hole for your charging. So I've owned these headphones for about a week now. Put them through the rigorous testing. I work about 50 hours a week, so I did wear them all week. And I will say that my one complaint about them is they're not super comfortable. At least for me, maybe it's just my ears. I don't know, but they kind of hurt a little bit. But I eventually got used to it. I did take these to the gym with me. Did about 45 minutes of cardio and some weightlifting. I didn't have any problems. They didn't fall out or anything like that. I will say these headphones sound phenomenal. Skullcandy and Bose with this collab, they absolutely cooked. Um, Inside the app, they have different settings on the equalizer. So if you're listening to music, put on that bass boost equalizer. They sound phenomenal. They hit really hard for headphones. And then they also have like a podcast mode. And as far as the noise cancellation, they have different settings. So you can have a little bit of pass through, if people might be talking to you or something, or complete noise cancellation. I thought the app was a really cool feature that Skullcandy offers. So I normally wear the Apple AirPod Pros 2. Just comparison for between those two. I mean, the AirPod Pros are like $250. These 130 retail. You might even be able to snag it on a sale like I did for $90. But um, I would give these a solid 8.5 out of 10, especially if you're someone that's going to be wanting to listen to loud music. Go grab a pair of these. I mean, for the price point, you can't beat it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up and subscribe. So thanks for stopping by.